Okay guys, so we're here at our day 1 session 2. So it's our day 1 session 2. So 10, 6, 20, 25 pa rin yan, 1550 pa. Ilan ang starting natin? 1585. 85. So let's target our second session. So this one, if I win this one, I will leave it here so to add to my bankroll. So palalaki natin yung bankroll natin ulit. So let's go 10 units lang. So our target is 2085. 21. So 21, our target is 21. Let's go 21, target 21. Okay, sinisipon ako ng konti. Let's go, our target is 21. So I'll bet on player pag pito na. Tataya tayo sa player pag pito na. So 7 and away ang target natin sa player. Okay, nanalo sana tayo dun, sayang. So okay, dito talo tayo, gravity. So let's go. Gusto ko sana tumaya dito kasi baka mag super 6. Delikado. Okay, mamaya na lang. Dito na lang muna tayo. So let's just bet here. So our strategy is 5-step martingale. It's a tie. So let's go again. So let's go 1 unit here. Let's go. To get 500. It will be added to our bankroll. So let's build our bankroll. It's a loss again, I think. A loss there. Oh, it's a tie. Okay, having a hard time winning. So let's go. Okay, let's go. Oh, another loss. 400. Finally a win. So finally we got a win. But we're at stake here. We're at second to the last. Okay, let's go here. 0, 6. Oh, another loss. But a win there. So this gonna be my last bet. If I lost, then I'll just continue tomorrow. Maybe we'll bet all in. We'll bet all in. Bet all in. Oh, another loss. Oh my goodness. First table, a loss. That happens sometimes. So we're gonna stop here. So end the stream. So I'll just cash in tomorrow 1550. So we will put it here. Finish. See, finish is, I should have not bet 900 but it happened. So finish 30. So we lost equals 30 minus 1585. Okay, we lost negative 155, cash out. So we will put red here. We will put green here. So tomorrow I'm gonna cash in 1,550. And that's all for today, guys. We lost for today, but still we have our strategy, so we just follow our strategy. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you and God